Are you excited or not?
I'm excited to yeah.
So coming back to the English, right? How long you have been learning English, evolving in English?
Yeah, so far I didn't try to revolve in English.
So what's the importance of learning English right now? I mean, why you really want to work upon your communication skills? So how are you? How is your day turning?
Yeah, I'm good.
All right. And as it is our first interaction, right? So can you give your brief
Yes.
introduction?
Yeah, come to myself. This is Satish. I am from Hyderabad. Uh, so my highest qualification is MBA. Recently, I passed out MBA. So now I'm learning some financial related course, which is Oracle Technologies. And come to my hobbies, watching TV and playing games. Uh, that's all about me.
Okay. So what you are doing currently?
I'm learning Oracle Fusion Cloud Finance course.
Okay. All right. So your specialization was finance, is it?
Yeah, yes. MBA Finance.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Interesting. So I cut from the same cloth. I've completed
Okay.
MBA too.
Oh, super.
All right. So coming back to your hobbies, what about the things which you like to do in your leisure time?
Mostly, I'm playing cricket and watching movies.
Okay. Playing cricket and watching movies.
Yes.
So last movie.
Last movie, I think you don't know. I prefer only Telugu movies. So the
Okay.
movie name is
The movie name is?
Charita Ramayanam. So it's a
Okay.
small
Okay.
movie. It's a
So it's based on Ramayan, is it?
no. The name itself Charita. Heroine name is Charita. The
Okay.
hero name is Ram. So
Okay.
both are
Okay.
Charita Ramayanam. It's a small
Mm-hmm.
romantic movie,
Do you know
but
about
message
Ramayan?
oriented.
Do you know about Ramayan?
I know Ramayan.
Okay, fine. Your video got stuck actually. And
Yeah,
you
I have some network issue here.
fine, fine. So can I come on my introduction, Mr. Satish?
Okay,
So are you excited or not?
I'm excited to hear.
Yes. So as you know, my name is Priyanka Kushwa and I'm from MD. At present, I'm living in Indore for my job purpose. And along with that, I'm running my YouTube channel, which is all about spoken English conversations. And sometimes I
Okay,
record clips here and there. And it's been almost 2 months I've been working here in Indore with one of the institute. Um, Plus, yeah, my education is also in MBA with a specialization of marketing and finance. And these days, I'm evolving in English because I think academic would be the great option for me
okay,
to just go on and on. Yeah.
yeah, fine.
Hmm. So that is pretty much about me. And I'm excited for the
Okay,
conversation with you today.
okay.
Fine. So coming back to the English, right? How long you have been learning English, evolving in English?
Yeah, so far I didn't try to revolve in English. So now I'm realized. So I want to enhance my communication skills as well as English. So that's the reason I approached you in the email, in the form of email. I approached you.
Fine, fine. Actually, these days I'm not at all active on the mail application.
Okay.
So what I do, I have just added that Telegram channel link. So
Yes, yes.
directly those who DM me, I connect with them, and it's really hard, to see the mails. A lot of mails are there. It's flooded, so it's
Okay.
really hard. Okay. So coming back to you're currently learning and side by side doing job as well, right?
Yes.
Okay. So recently you have completed MBA. From where?
Not recently, 2 years back.
Okay, 2 years. Yeah, I mean it's not that far. So
Okay.
From where you have completed MBA?
Uh, Karimnagar. It's a part of Telangana district. Karimnagar SRM College.
Okay, fine. Have you ever been to Indore, MP?
No, no, no. I
Okay.
visited only Pondicherry and Kerala, Chennai.
Okay, Chennai.
I didn't, yeah, I didn't come to any UP, MP,
Yeah, MP. I'm not from UP, MP.
MP.
Yes, fine.
Yes.
So, in English, are you into books? Do you read books, Mr. Satish?
Sorry?
Are you into books?
No,
Not at all.
not at all.
So, what's the importance of learning English right now? I mean, why you really want to work upon your communication skills?
So because of what I'm right now, I'm learning. So in that field, the communication is very essential. For that reason only, I approached you.
Okay. And do you conduct these type of sessions with other YouTubers and
No,
co-learners?
no, not at it. You
So
are the
this
first
is,
person.
oh my goodness, I'm lucky
Yes.
one. Fine. So what about listening? Do you listen?
No, sometimes I watch Malayalam movies which is dubbed in the English movie.
Mhm. Okay, Malayalam. And
Yeah,
are you into English movies?
yeah, I interested, but I couldn't understand that much of slang.
Okay, yeah, slang language, definitely. But
Yeah.
I mean, gradually, if we evolve so much, so definitely we can master that skill too, right? And it is
Yes.
fun, why not?
Okay.
Okay. So in your leisure time, you mentioned that you watch cricket, right?
Yes.
Apart from
Not
this,
really.
yeah, what are you saying?
No, no, no. Apart from that, I read, watch Instagram reels, which is related to into vocabulary, advanced vocabulary.
Okay, advanced vocabulary. So vocab
Yeah,
section you're working on, right?
yeah.
Okay. And when was the first time you realize the importance of English, though you are anyway, like you're managing to speak English, definitely you're confident. But when was the first time you thought, okay, no, English is something which we can work on?
Actually, 3 months before I realized, but I couldn't find the exactly perfect person.
Hmm.
So
All
that's the
right.
reason. Yeah, I'm analyzing the so many persons. So finally, I found a very good trainer like you.
Oh my God. Definitely, we will go for classes as well and we'll drop the details about the subscription and everything. But first,
Okay.
I would love to know so many things about you. There are so many questions are popping up in my head.
Okay.
Yeah. So,
Actually, this is my first experience. I'm feeling a little bit shivering and shy, so
no,
I
no,
didn't speak with
I don't
anyone
think so.
like you.
You're feeling shy. You're talking
Yeah.
very confidently. I mean, more than me. So, okay. So, I would love to know about your family a little.
So coming to my family, my father is a farmer. My mother is a housewife. I have no siblings. I'm only one.
You're the only
That's
child.
yeah, only one child.
Great. So, how does it feel to be an only child?
Yeah, sometimes I feel good, but many times I feel very lonely because of one alone feeling. I sometimes very lonely.
Yeah, it
Yeah.
happens. It happens definitely. And so, you're living with your family or you're living somewhere
No,
else?
no, no. My parents, they are staying in my village. It's a small town. So I am staying in Hyderabad for the
Okay.
purpose of learning Oracle. I'm
Hmm.
staying in there. Yeah.
Okay. So yeah, even we can, like resonate with like with each other. I'm also living far from my family for the last 2 months. So do you feel that it's kind of a red race, kind of, do you miss your family?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay. And how you actually talk with yourself when you miss them?
Mm, Mostly I share my feelings with my friends.
Uh,
Yeah,
mhm.
my friends, and sometimes I spoke to my parents.
All right.
Yeah.
All right. And I mean, your father is a farmer, right? So he must be
Yes.
really hardworking.
No, 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 no. Right now he's not working. He's now he take retirement.
Okay. So he must be delegating the works to laborers.
No, no. Actually, we gave my land to some workers, some of
Okay.
money.
Okay. Rented. You rented your
So
land.
it's like rented, 1 year rent.
Yeah, I think that is really good. Even, like my father is also into farming. He's also a teacher. He's a
Okay.
government employee. So I feel that why, like why he is doing this much and what's the requirement of, but still, the people, I mean, our parents and your parents, like, I mean, they have the habit of, doing something. They can't sit
Something.
idle.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But yeah, I think,
Even though they have to retirement, they usually go to every day to the field, and they watch
yes,
everything and come to the
yes,
home.
this is their habit. But I
Yeah.
think otherwise their life will become monotonous, right? So it's okay to have to just go nearby the field or somewhere surrounded by the mother nature places, right?
Yes.
Okay. And I mean, if you get the opportunity to stay forever in city or village, where would you choose to
Yeah,
be?
definitely. I will choose village only, but I need to stay in a town because of I want to earn some money. So
Okay, in
once I
city.
mobilize the money in city, thereafter whenever I feel the money is enough, I move to my village.
Fine, fine, fine. Definitely. So, any question you have for me?
No questions.